Are you ever unsure where your device has signal? Or maybe you're struggling with identifying network dead zones that impact your team or fleet's communication? TFIND is here to help. Our interactive web application allows you to track, manage, and analyze device locations and signal strengths in real time, all visualized on a dynamic 3D map. With TFind, you can pinpoint where your devices have strong or weak signals, ensure constant connectivity for remote teams or IoT devices, and troubleshoot coverage issues to optimize your network.
Yeah, so basically the way this works is that we use T-Mobile and Nokia's network as code API. And so to get started, we'll just take the device ID, put it on the top left here. It'll give us the coordinates. If we click on it, it'll take us to where this device is. So you can tell from the description, it's pinging in the Nokia Sky Park. And if we go to the top right here, we can add it act as an actual device or a saved device. So using that same ID, we save the device. We can rename it here. Let's just say Nokia is cool, and we save it. And then my teammate's going to talk more in depth about this feature.
So over here we have like four more main functions. So first we have the go functions. So right now, as you can see, we're kind of looking at the map of where this device is at, right? So okay, let's go to another place. So let's go to a random place. Okay, now if we want to go track where the device at, all we need to do is click the go button, which will directly takes you to the view of the current device location. Cool, right? And the second button we have is just copy the current longitude and altitude of these devices. Okay, let's see, what would it be? Yes, the longitude and altitude, right? And third, we have just deleted the current devices. And the fourth main function we have is about, which is about a complex configuration for these devices. So over here, you see, we have the device name, the longitude and latitude of these devices. Also, we use the Nokia congestion insight API to detect the current traffic status this device is in. We use an algorithm to sort all of the congestion traffic status from all this list, and we sort them by their confidence level. And based on the highest confidence level, we use their congestion level as the final result for the current traffic status. And here you can see the address, the country code as well. And in the status part, we use the Nokia API, which is for the device's status API to see, okay, it is current status, it is current devices connected to data, or is it connected to MSG? And there will be three status we're able to see. And at last, we have like network resources ID. So we incorporate this with the congestion insight. So based on the congestion insight, if it's median or high, we can choose the auto networks. So if we choose auto networks, under the condition of a median or high traffic status, it will give you a better network access based on the quality of a call API, which give you a stronger network resources. And we can turn it off, and it will terminate the current session we're in. And if we turn it on again, it will extend or create the current sessions. So I will move to next.
Okay, so another feature of our application is that when you click on a building, you can find more information about it. So I will do a demonstration of this feature now. So if you click on any random building, you get some information about it. So some of the famous buildings, you can see their name and all the details about it. We've also implemented Perplexity API to show more information about a building when you click on it based on the location of its longitude and latitude. But currently we have, due to access control checks, the Perplexity API cannot be loaded. We're still trying to fix that error right now and talking to the Perplexity AI team. But this is what we have so far.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
We also have a heat map coming.